Steve here, NRC. Guys, I took the Fox out for a bash. I didn't run it in a long time. Had a little boo-boo here. I'm using this damn good UV glue. And what you do is when you crack your body, you get the Dremel and make a little groove where the cracks are so it's overlapping each crack side. Then you just put a line of UV glue and you just use your UV light and mend it up. It sticks real good, the Lexan. I got the back taped up here, so I'm probably gonna grind a little mark where the cracks are here also and put a little bead around it and hit it with the UV light. Man, what happened was I had my GoPro mounted here on the top right here, and I flipped this thing, and this thing's heavy. I flipped it, the GoPro went into the dirt and it was in the grass. I guess the GoPro nailed here when it was flipped over, and it nailed on it. It pushed a big hole this big right through. You'll see that in a future video. I'm all finished with the body with the UV glue, and I'll link this below. I did the outside, like I said, I went with the Dremel bit and ground where the crack is, and I filled it up with a bead of the UV glue. And I went around it all. You can see it's strong now. But first I put it all together with tape on the back on the outside of the body. Then I glued the inside first the same way with that Dremel bit and ground it so it was clean with no paint on it on each side of the crack. And then I just filled up the cracks right across, and I used the UV light and I made it all around, and look how good it came. Strong. I could bend it, it ain't breaking. So there you have it, guys. Use UV glue. You could use shoe glue, back it with Gorilla Tape, whichever way you want to do it, but I chose this way for some reason with Lexan. This UV glue, when you clean it and you put this on it, it almost makes it like solid one piece again. So I like this stuff a lot on the Lexan. Alright guys, that's my Kyosho Fox. See you next time.